Hey guys, so I'm here. I wanted to make this video and share some tips and advice, things that I did to pretty much help me increase my credit. So I'll say this: in the beginning of January 2019, my credit was at 566. It was horrible. I'm officially good credit status. My credit score has jumped so much, guys. Like, I think it's jumped in total like over 100 points within the year. And it's hard work, but it's so rewarding afterwards. So I'm gonna share these tips. I have them written down. And the reason I'm doing this is because, like, if you think about it, you know, there's all these people in agencies saying they can help you build your credit, and really, like, seriously, you're charging like $100-something to help someone get good credit, and obviously they're in this situation for a reason, money, and you want money from them. So I'm just gonna tell you what you can do at home to increase your credit score. And yeah, so the first thing that I'm gonna say is pull your credit report. You can go to freecreditreport.com. You can pull your credit there, your credit report there, and you can get this once a year for free. The next thing is download creditkarma. It doesn't have to be creditkarma. You can use Credit Sesame, and there's probably some other ones, but I have creditkarma, so that's what I'm gonna go with. Download it. It has your Equifax and your TransUnion on there, and it will it'll give you like a lot of good tips and advice on what you can do to increase your credit score. The next thing is, the next thing is validating your debt. So with that, you want to reach out to whatever collection agencies you have on your credit report, and you want to send them this form to get your debt validated, pretty much saying, hey, prove that this is my debt, prove that I'm the right person you're looking for. They're going to send you the information that they have, and from there you'll determine which route you will go. If it's a hospital bill, you definitely want to get them to send you the information that they have, because if your medical records are on there, like the reason you went to the hospital, if that's on there, if they have that, that's third party. They're not supposed to have that. That is violation of your HIPAA. Is it HIPAA? Yeah, your HIPAA. So get that information. You can definitely get hospital collections removed. Like, you don't have to pay them. You can get them 100% removed. So that's why you want to validate your debt. Number 3 is deciding what gets paid, and the reason you want to decide this will determine, you know, kind of how you're going to handle the situation. So if, like I said, if it's a hospital bill and you're validating the debt and it shows, oh, you went to the doctor for, you know, a bladder infection, third party companies shouldn't have that information. They shouldn't know why you went to the hospital. They should just not know that. So if they have that, you can then dispute that and get it removed. Simple. If it's like a credit card bill, you want to validate it, and then depending on how long it's been on your credit determines if you want to pay it or not. If it's getting ready to, let me say this: collections stay on your credit for 7 years. If you have this credit card collection on your credit report and it's getting ready to fall off next month, don't pay that, sis. don't pay it, okay? Let that fall off, goodbye, and go from there. Now, if it's on there and you still have like 6 years, 5 years, just pay it off, because if you pay it off, your credit report will increase from that. But there's a trick to it. You don't want to pay the collection company, you want to pay the actual credit card company, because if you pay the credit card company what you owe them, then you can dispute it and say, hey, I paid you guys, delete this from my report, and it's like it never existed on there. So I can do another video to go in depth about that, but yeah, that's how you want to get them removed, okay? Credit card usage. So this is an important one too. When I started out, I think I just had one credit card, and I think it was with Victoria's Secret. I think that's my longest credit card I've ever had, and I got that like on a whim. And so you want to make sure you're staying below 10%. And what I mean is, if your balance is $200, you want to stay below that. You don't want to max the credit card out. You don't want to get close to that 200. You want to stay below 10% of that 200. So if you have multiple credit cards, whatever that the total balance is, stay below that 10%, because doing that and paying the bill on time when you get it will increase your credit drastically. Like, I think that's the only method I really used besides getting stuff removed with my credit cards. That's the main one that really increased my credit score. And when it increased, I mean, I'm talking like 20, 30, 40 points here and there, and you just have to pay it on time. Like, you don't want missed payments on your credit report. It doesn't look good at all. Inquiries. So there's two types of inquiries. There's soft inquiries and hard inquiries. They stay on your credit report for 2 years. What you want to do is, so when you download Creditkarma, if that's the one that you choose, you will get a soft inquiry on your credit report. Soft inquiries will not hurt you. The hard inquiries will bust your ass. Like, not to say it like that, but you do not want a hard inquiry, because it will knock your credit score down. And depending on how hard it hits, what company it is, depends on like the number that it will take off your credit score, and you don't want that. So I'm sorry, like, I feel like I'm getting sick or something, but I don't know. But anyway, yeah, they stay on there for 2 years. The hard inquiries, no. And you can dispute inquiries as well. If you're looking on there and you know that you have, like, I don't know, a rental property that probably looked you up and they're past their 2-year mark, you need to dispute that and get it removed. Like, you don't want this stuff just sitting on there, because if you ain't saying nothing about it, they ain't gonna say anything about it. So you have to like stay on top of them. If it's supposed to be gone January 1st, 2020, then you need to be like, hey, this is my 2-year mark. This needs to be deleted, and they have to delete it. Like, they can't keep it on your report any longer. Guys, these are the steps I used to increase my credit, and I mean, it worked drastically. Let me pull up my Creditkarma real quick, and I just want to show you. They have like this area where it has it's get my recommendations, and it'll pretty much just based off what's on your credit report, it tells you what's your next move, like what's a good thing for you to do to get your credit score increased. So right here, like, I just went to mine. I hope you can see this and my phone cracked. Okay, so I just went to mine. Let me go back so you can see it. All right, who is this? I don't know. right here, the third one, it say get my recommendations. You click on it, it's gonna load up. Can you see? Yeah, okay. And so right now it's telling me that it gives me very good approval odds for the Chase Sapphire preferred credit card. And then if you keep scrolling, like it just shows you, you know, which ones you would get. Oh, that's excellent. Yes. Okay. I might have to look at that. But yeah, that's the Capital One Venture card. And it say my approval odds for that is excellent. So if I was to apply for it, 9 times out of 10, I would get it. So this really helped me because at first, when I first started doing this, honey, the only thing that was popping up on here was secured credit cards. And I can do another video in depth with that if you want to know like about all that. But yeah, so this is pretty much, it's telling me, you know, they recommend me to apply right now for another credit card, but I don't think I want another credit card. I think I'm okay. So right here, you can pull like your full credit report on here. It'll tell you different cards, like these are my top pick. These are, well, this is my top pick here, and then you can like choose which one you want. So if you're looking for like a zero interest card, you would just click on that. And then up here it just have like credit, accounts, cards, loans, auto, housing, and my offers and your tax information. Like this app has like advanced so much. It's great because back in the day, Credit Karma was not all that, and now they're like really good. Like they're really good. So guys, yeah, if you look at that, 7 accounts removed. Look at that, guys. If you need any help trying to increase your credit score, like I don't mind helping. Subscribe to my channel if you want me to do more videos in depth on like different things containing to building your credit. Let me know, I will do them. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, so when I do upload these videos, you're the first to get it. So I also have the all of the letters. I have all of the letters that I used, that I sent out to these companies, and I'm like, hey, send me this or remove this, okay? And they work. And if you need any help, just oh my god, like 2020, new year, new you, new credit, okay boo? That's it. Like that's it. Message me, I'll help you. I don't mind. My email is down below in the description box, and you can also comment down below because I'm sure whatever question you have, someone else may have the same question. So let's help each other, okay? Thanks for watching this video.